Hello, my name is Brian Juguna. Today I'll be discussing about any innovation in my field, which is the tech field, the information technology field. So I'll be talking about cloud computing, an innovative technology that has revolutionized the IT industry. I'm a student, Dedan Kimathi, pursuing IT, information technology. My registration number says 025 2020. So generally, we're going to start by knowing what cloud computing is. It provides individuals of organization with access to computing resources such as software, servers, and databases that are over the internet. They don't have to have the physical server at their position or where they are. So they normally have they access the services over the internet over a server somewhere. So this technology mainly eliminates the need of owning and maintaining IT infrastructure, allowing the users to rent and subscribe resources as you need. So we store the things in somewhere remotely, like let's say in in Windows we store information in the drive, the OneDrive. So OneDrive they have a server where we store the information. We don't have to have the server here. Yep. So we continue on the evolution of cloud computing. Yeah, where it started in the early 2000 where the concept about cloud computing emerges. The concept of the cloud computing started gaining traction in the early 2000s as a shift toward internet-based computing. So in 2006, the commercialization begins. Like the Amazon Web Services introduced a suite of cloud computing services, which include storage, computation, Google Docs offered by cloud based productivity tools. In 2010, the cloud expanded. It continued evolving, and by 2010, cloud solution became widely and adopted by companies of all sizes due to their scalability, because they are very efficient. You can do any service from a remote, any service, and it's just okay. So in 2016, there came cloud and AI integration, where the cloud service providers started integrating AI and machine learning capabilities to enable analytics and efficiency. Yeah, it will help with the analytics of the data stored there and the efficiency. It make it more efficient. In 2020 and beyond, the era of hybrid and multi-clouding. Hybrid and multi-clouding strategies have become popular, optimizing the service delivery and focusing on enhancing security and compliance. What are the main? So then, after understanding the stages of how cloud computing it came evolving to now. So we know so far we have understood what cloud computing is. So we go to the next thing, which we have to know the key main features of cloud computing. So the first feature of cloud computing is scalability. Cloud computing offers on-demand resources, allowing businesses to scale up. Because using cloud computing, businesses with large data can depend on the cloud services. Since it's more expensive to have a server that will take up all the data of a company, this means that it's cheaper. First of all, it's cheaper, and it can enable the company to have large data, not limiting to a specific amount of data since of lack of a server, or maybe their physical server is maybe small. So the next thing after scalability, we go to definitely the cost efficient effectiveness. It's pay as you go model, it allows the users to pay for the main specific thing they need, nothing much, or yeah. they pay for the specific service they need, not not every yeah they pay for specific service they need, which they optimize their budget. Yeah, they have a budget, so they know by this month I'll have done this. I'll use this amount for the services. I don't have to pay for everything. I have to pay for whatever I need. The next is accessibility. It provides global reach anytime, whether wherever you are, you can access anything, breaking geographical barriers. Like you can be anywhere, you'll access your data, which is is in the cloud, which is the cloud service. So after identifying its features, we go to next, which is the types of cloud services. The types of cloud services, we have three. These are the basic thing. We are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and service as a service. Not service as a service, sorry. It's software as a service. So we start with infrastructure as a service. These are fundamental IT infrastructure such as server, storage, and networking equipment, allowing users to full control their resources. It provides the infrastructure of storage, networking, and equipment where it provides servers where users use them. They provide the infrastructure. It allows user to control their own resources. The platform offers a complete development stack, enabling developers on building the application without managing the infrastructure. So they don't manage the infrastructure, but it will provide a platform for developers to develop applications. The software as a service access access to ready use applications. It provides the software like the CRM, ERP. When users simply subscribe to the software and its features, they specifically need the software. So if a software as a service provides the software to the users as a service, they don't need the platform or the infrastructure, they need the software. So the user subscribe to the software. What impact on the IT industry? It has transformed the business operations drastically. It has increased scalability. Businesses are able to grow since cloud services, they can, since through to cloud computing, they can able to have they can be able to have large data, which it enables the business to grow each and every time they are able to grow. The business is able to move from this point to this point, able to accomplish this and this new customers and changing market conditions. They are able to adapt. Secondly, it has revolutionized the IT infrastructure. Shift from on-premise to off-premise infrastructure, reduce maintenance burdens. Skills, you don't have to employ people with skill to maintain your own servers. If there's a you're using cloud services from somewhere else, so you don't have to have physical people with skills to work on your server since you're using some cloud services that is remotely. Evolving software development practices. Microservices architecture enabled by cloud computing improve development ability and allows faster deployment of new features. So easy to use cloud services, cloud computing to deploy. So the microservices architecture in cloud computing has enabled it has resulted to evolving of development practices. So maybe after talking about the impact, you have seen how the features. Now we have looked at the types of cloud computing. Now we have looked at the impact of impact of cloud computing in the IT industry. So next we are going to talk about the case studies. So the case studies, maybe you can wonder what we're talking about by what's cloud computing. Let me give you an example. The case study, we can use it the boutique bakery chain. Like in a large boutique, they can have they can use cloud computing solution, which improves scalability and data accessibility from everywhere. You can have many branches, which it it helps the company or the business to grow. It grows with time, with time, with time, with time, with time. Like they can have many branches, but they are able to access large data. What are the challenges and considerations? It's a security concern. Because it's crucial to choose a reputable provider like AWS. The security is completely well. The fact that they provide good security measures, customers are able to stick with them, and they are sure their their data or the information is in a safe space because of their security measures. Second thing, vendor lock-in. Over-reliance on a single provider can be challenging. Mitigating strategies include adopting a hybrid approach and maintaining data portability. What's the future of cloud computing? Rise of edge computing, which brings power closer to the source of data, allowing real-time processing of smart devices and self-driving cars. We all know about edge computing, quantum computing, and AI and machine learning integration, where these days, maybe let's say in AI and machine learning integration, they are already embedded in many cloud platform, and deeper integration is expected to enhance cloud services further. So, in conclusion, cloud computing has transformed the industry, offering scalability, cost effectiveness, and global accessibility. It continues to propel innovations, emerging trends like edge computing, quantum computing, and AI, and the AI integration. Yeah, so that's about cloud computing. It's an innovation in my industry, and so yeah, that's all I have about cloud computing. Thank you for your attention. Embracing cloud computing is not just an option, but a necessity for modern business to stay competitive and innovative. Thank you.